This is driver 3, approaching the main gate with the fresh greens. Requesting access to the loading zone.
Careful with the spinach, make sure it stays cold.
Yes, moving the chicken next.
Okay, lift it slowly and bring it to bay 4.
Copy that, moving it now.
Everything seems to be running smoothly on the spinach side.
Yes, the chicken is also within spec, ready for processing.
Scan complete. Temperature is optimal.
And the visual inspection confirms freshness. Approved for the next stage.
Utilizing crystal clear water, the automated tunnels gently wash the fresh spinach, preparing it for the perfect palak chicken.
We need to get this batch ready for the palak chicken order by noon.
Using precision nozzles and purified water, we guarantee the highest standards for our palak chicken.
Try to get closer to the leaf, we're losing too much.
Okay, I will adjust.
We need this batch ready for the steam pots by 11.
We start with the freshest ingredients: vibrant green chilies, pungent garlic, and aromatic ginger.
The automated system ensures every piece of ginger and garlic is thoroughly scrubbed before moving on to the next stage.
The new peeler is running smoothly today.
Yes, much faster than the old model. We should hit the target easily.
Utilizing state-of-the-art robotic systems, we ensure every batch of palak chicken is prepared with unmatched precision and care.
Warning: turmeric chute blocked. Clearing obstruction. Resuming measurement of garam masala. Batch complete.
We carefully blend cumin, coriander, turmeric, and paprika to create the perfect seasoning.
Attention all units. Phase 2 transfer of cream product is commencing. Ensure temperature logs are updated immediately.
We melt the fresh golden butter in the steam kettles before adding it to our signature palak chicken for that rich, velvety finish.
Now we add the vibrant spices, the chili, turmeric, and cumin, stirring them in to bloom in the hot oil.
The fresh spinach puree is pumped directly into the cooking vessels, ensuring perfect consistency for our signature palak chicken.
We need to verify the pH levels on vat 2. Reading confirmed. Levels are stable.
The fresh chicken is delivered smoothly into the massive kettles, blending perfectly with the simmering palak curry. We slow simmer our palak chicken in these massive kettles, ensuring every bite is creamy and delicious.
Temperature is stable at 92 degrees Celsius.
Mixing speed adjusted. Pressure looks optimal. Rich golden butter finishes this creamy palak chicken, adding that perfect shine and depth of flavor.
Sample 4B is ready for the viscometer.
All right, let's check the texture profile analysis and then move to the GCMS for flavor compounds.
The viscosity is holding steady at 250 centipoise, exactly within the optimal range.
And the particulate suspension looks uniform.
Yes, the texture profile is excellent.
The seasoning is perfectly balanced. This is exactly what we were aiming for. I agree completely.
See, the texture is superb, very consistent.
Ensure the temperature remains stable in tank 4.
Copy that. The flow rate is optimal.
Patience. Close-up shots reveal automatic machines removing tiny air bubbles before sealing each Palak chicken container.
Attention all workers. The next batch of Palak chicken requires seal check approval at Station 4. Quality check on line 3. Ensure all packages are sealed correctly before cooling.
With speeds up to 1000 packages per minute, our laser systems ensure every Palak chicken tray has a crisp, clear batch code.
The synchronization on the Palak chicken line is running at peak efficiency today.
Attention all personnel. Line 3B is running at full capacity. Ensure all Palak chicken packages meet quality control standards.
The system automatically detects and removes imperfect products, ensuring only the highest quality Palak chicken reaches the consumer.
The future of fresh cuisine is here, perfectly synchronized, ensuring quality in every multi-pack of our signature Palak chicken. Pallet wrapping complete. The Palak chicken shipment is ready for loading. Forklift 1, bring the pallets to Zone 4.
Copy that. Entering the freezer now.
Attention all staff. Please ensure the temperature for the Palak chicken remains consistent across all sensors.
Palak chicken shipment is prioritized for the 10 a.m. slot.
Confirmed.
I'm alerting the floor team now.
All right, I have the Palak chicken secure. Bringing it to Bay 3 now. Yeah, I got your signal. Give me 2 minutes for the drop.
Truck 7 is loaded with the Palak chicken order. Ready for departure.
It's locked in. All right, let's get the door closed.
Looks good.
As the sun sets on a successful day, the journey begins. Fresh Palak chicken, proudly delivered nationwide.